Hey guys, Sylwia here and welcome all to my Pin AI Mastery Review. So that's my Pin AI Mastery Review, and that is the newest launch by this beautiful lady. Her name is Katarina, and for those who wouldn't know it yet, Katarina is the wife of Dimitris, so also known as the Papa. And I know that one of his, back in the days almost, one of his big launches called Pin Bank, if I well remember, I did buy this product myself, has got a lot of contribution added to it from his wife, because she's really a master. She has really mastered Pinterest. And just to put it briefly, guys, Pin AI Mastery is a combination of ChatGPT. So because of that, I guess it's called Pin AI Mastery. So again, a combination of AI, the use of AI, ChatGPT specifically, and Pinterest as a, social media platform. But really, Pinterest is more like a search engine. There are so many people on Pinterest. It is like millions of users are on Pinterest. So whether you have anything you want to promote, your website, your blogs, whether you have freelancers, services you provide, offers, you proudly either promote as your own offers or affiliate offers, Pinterest is the place, the platforms to be on and to advertise on. But as with any social media platforms, as with any social media accounts, okay guys, the point is to know how to use them. Just like with Facebook or Instagram, it's about setting up, your account, optimize it for SEO, and it's those bits and pieces, those details that will determine on whether, you will perform well, so to speak, on that platform, whether you will do well or not, right? So it's not just for scrolling up and down the platform like we sometimes, I don't do it, to be honest, like we do on Facebook and stuff, or Instagram. It's about knowing how to make money with those platforms, because it's really a waste of time to just, watch stuff, okay? We need to have the eye on the prize, so to speak, and be very, very specific as to how we want to utilize the platform. Like we use the platform. Don't let the platform use you and, consume your time and energy. Okay, guys, without any further introduction, okay, without any further delay, let's get to it. So I reached out to Katarina to give me the review access. She very kindly provided me the review access. So I've gone through the product. It's PDF, guys. I've got it right here. Now I'm scrolling quickly through it because, like with any other launches, it is not cool to reveal too much information, okay, guys? But here will be your tips and tricks and powerful prompts, GPS prompts, that you would use, to squeeze the best of your Pinterest presence, right? For you to really thrive utilizing Pinterest. So as she put it here, ChatGPT for Pinterest marketing. These are tips, tricks, and powerful prompts. And what I do like about this guide, it's a PDF guide again. You can tell she has, look at this, the boss lady. She's really talented, and she has an eye, I guess, for very tastefully done graphics. I can tell she's got a very creative spirit, that's for sure. And yeah, so in this guide, it is to the point. It is 15 pages long, okay, and that's your table of contents. So the first is welcome to the world of ChatGPT. She will go through some facts to do with ChatGPT, okay, how to squeeze it like a lemon. And I like what she put. I like how she put it. She said, should it be a threat to human creativity, or should or should we approach it as a tool to enhance our creativity? And if we come from that perspective, then, we are the master, this ChatGPT is the tool, so the robots, the bots are here to serve us. So let's not forget that, and, let's continue using our own human creativity, because nothing can replace that. Okay, and here, as you can see, this is the table of content. So common questions about using ChatGPT for Pinterest marketing. So specifically Pinterest marketing. And this guide, guys, is just your foot in the door, sort of. You're sort of getting your feet wet into the Pinterest marketing. There will be a funnel, which is amazing, okay? And I'll talk more about this funnel and why I like it so much and why it will complement the front end amazingly well a little bit later. And also I'll talk about my bonuses at the later part of my review, because I handpicked some amazing bonuses to go hand in hand, okay, with this product. And by the way, the sales page, guys, will be below my review. So go check it out. Grab the link in the description box and check out the sales page. It is very transparently and clearly explained what kind of product you're getting here, okay? There's no mystery around, what you're buying here. No fluff, to the point. And I have not probably finished my original thought when I wanted to say that it is 15 pages long, this guide, but it is very, very concrete and to the point advice here. And I can see it is coming from someone who knows what they're talking about. And this lady, Katarina, has been helping her clients thrive to make the best out of Pinterest for quite some time now, for a few years, and she's had she's got very, very successful case studies, great testimonials even on her website. You will find links to her beautiful website, by the way, somewhere here along the, where was it? You will find it here, okay? Oh, there you go. Here is Social Pure Marketing. I like the name of it, .com. Or you can reach out to her, and she's very, very responsive. Very, very reachable. Okay. So yeah, going back to the table of content, what you will also find in this guide is tips and tricks mastering ChatGPT for Pinterest marketing, ChatGPT prompts. Okay, so you will find prompts which will work with any niche. So there will be sort of I would say templates. Yeah, but she will put in brackets. Like your niche, your industry, your targeted audience. So you will need to change up the prompts a little bit, but you have the structure, you have the frame that will work with any niche. And again, it is to do with Pinterest marketing. Right, and then she will discuss ChatGPT. She will give you ChatGPT prompts for planning a Pinterest marketing strategy, and also ChatGPT prompts for your Pinterest marketing strategy optimization. Again, very important to optimize it. And obviously, so I'll scroll through quickly. As you can see, it's a beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous, stunning guide. Okay, and there you go. So what's the price, by the way? Let's check out the price. The product hasn't gone live yet. It's going live tomorrow. Not sure if I mentioned that. On the 11th of December, I believe 10 or either 11 a.m. New York time. Okay, excuse me if I am mistaken as to what time exactly, but it's either 10 or 11 a.m. New York time, the 11th of December. I hope I didn't say November, December. So, okay, the front end is $12.95, guys. Again, for people who want to smash it with Pinterest, whether you're new to it or quite seasoned user of Pinterest, you will definitely benefit from this guide. And the front end is followed by quite an amazing funnel. And why I like it so much, it's because each and every of the upsells are the services Katarina has been providing for her clients for quite some time now. So she had mastered these services, these gigs, if you may. Okay, and now she's really here to deliver the best possible service, you know, for the upsells buyers, I guess. So the OTO number 1 will be, guys, account cleanup. Okay, how to clean up your account, your Pinterest account. OTO number 2, account setup. So if you're not experienced with that, if you don't know how to do it, you may think you know how to do it, but you would be surprised. Okay, those who set up professional social media accounts know all the, you know, nitty gritty, so to speak, all of the important details that you must pay attention to if you want your social media account optimized for the best SEO ranking as well, or for the best results and to be found widely, okay, on that platform. Okay, then OTO number 3 is Pinterest Audit and Strategy Guide. OTO number for $97. You can see the prices here, guys. Okay, let me pop myself here so you can see the prices. I'm gonna probably make them bigger for you as well, like zoom in so you can see the prices. Now, OTO number 4, there will be a variations of a few free options to this upsell. So it's pin creation services. There will be a light version, the cheapest one for $27, the standard version for $47, and the superior version for $67. OTO number 5 is called Pinterest Management, and there will be a few, well, in fact, there will be 3 packages. So the silver, $97, there will be so-called platinum package for $197 and gold package for $147. So the platinum package is the most expensive one, the most pricey one, for almost $200. So it's your management, it's the management from, again, a professional who has helped many of her clients achieve success and great results. Okay, guys, now let's check out the sales page quickly, even though I will not really, I mean, you know, watch this video. It's a short video by Katerina where she talks about this product, and the sales page is to the point. Okay, boss lady, I like it a lot. Amazing. Okay, you've got your money back guarantee. Click here, show me how how to master Pinterest by clicking this call to action button here that will take you to the checkout, obviously. Right, now let's go to my bonuses, guys. I have picked some bonuses which I believe will really expand your knowledge and skills as to do with graphics. I mean, Pinterest is your sort of like search engine, especially when it comes to pictures, graphics, and all of that. We know that, the pins, yeah. So I thought like an ebook, and all of these, by the way, I should have, I forgot to add this, the fact that they are PLR. All of them are PLR, so you can use them for yourselves. You can, you know, there are serious ebooks, guys, here, serious, like 30, anything from 30 to 50 pages long, and guides on how to create the first one, how to create and edit professional images for free with Canva. All to do with Canva. We use Canva all the time, but do we make the best out of it? Do we squeeze the best out of it? Most likely not. Most likely we don't even realize how much is possible, you know, to be achieved with Canva when it comes to graphics, all kinds of designs for free. All right, so that's your PLR bonus. You can give it away, you can resell it, you know, it's up to you. Next one is how to produce amazing AI images with Midjourney. It's your Midjourney, as you may know, is the #1 AI image generating bot. Okay, there is a free version. I mean, all of the tips you're getting from this ebook, you can also use and put into action using Leonardo.ai, which is your free. When I say free, I mean you will be limited by the number of credits you will get with Leonardo.ai. I believe it was 150 credits a day. That's more than enough to produce quite a few supreme quality images. Okay, so the knowledge from this guide you can use with Leonardo.ai. You don't have to pay for Midjourney. As we know, Midjourney starts the basic plan. By the way, Midjourney used to be free, okay? Not anymore. You need at least the basic plan after having tried it with the free trial for a month for as little as $10 a month, okay? So if you need a lot of images, then it's worth investing in it. Now, and then bonus number 3 is how to rapidly build easy money machines with AI images. Not only do I show you how to create those images, and also with Canva, but also here in this bonus you will learn how to sell them, whether it's going to be on Pinterest or freelancing platforms. Guys, really your imagination is the limit, okay? So all to do with graphics, all to do with design, pictures, images, which I believe go hand in hand with Pinterest. So grab them grab this product from me when it goes live tomorrow. Tomorrow is, I keep checking because I forget what time it is so quickly. So yeah, 11th of December. Tomorrow is going live, so the link to this sales page will be right below my review. If that's for you, if you like it, if you need it, go get it. Right, I shall see you pretty soon. Ciao!